na papasok dun sa negosyo at sa store niya, the higher the chance of having a sale. At alam nung nag-invest ng 30 to 45 million pesos, hindi lahat ng taong papasok dun sa store niya bibili. Parang sa network marketing. Hindi lahat ng kakausapin mo darating. At hindi lahat ng darating sasali. You focus on those people na sasali, and you focus on those people who will stay with your business.
Okay, we will pause for a short break. After the break, we will talk more about the peso now and
The
marketing,
millions.
the millions, and what to look out for still, because when any money that you put out, there are risks involved, and how to manage that risk. Hindi naman ibig sabihin pag may risk, ayaw mo na. How to manage that risk. We will pause for a short break. Please keep sending your messages. 0917-853-7333. We will answer most of your text messages after the break.
Parang kailan lang. Nagsimula ako, halos walang maniwala sa akin kasi motor lang yung dala ko. And lahat ng kaibigan ko pinagtatawanan ako kasi wala pang networking company na meron taga Bicol na kumita. Pero after 4 years, sobrang grabe ng blessing na binigay sa akin. 4 years, 4 na sasakyan. First car ko is Honda Civic, second car ko is Montero Sport, third car ko is sobrang guwapo ng sasakyan kasi 2-door siya ng Accord na kung nanonood ka ng Fast and the Furious, halos magkamukha yung sasakyan na yun. Pang fourth car ko, normally halos ito yung nagiging ultimate goal eh. Fourth car ko is Hummer. Na ang kagandahan dito, may maliban lang kasi since ang taas ng gas consumption ng Hummer, binigyan pa ako ng in-global ng bonus na profit sharing na worth 600,000. 5, 7, 1, 775,350,000 para daw pang gas ko sa Hummer ko. And ang pinaka naging blessing sa akin this year, kasi binigay pa sa akin ng AIM, yung isa sa pinakapangarap ko, yung makakita mismo ako at makahawak ng snow. Nakapunta kami for 12 days sa United States, all expense paid, ni piso wala akong ginastos. Ang ginawa lang namin doon, walang iba kundi kumain, mag-shopping, mamasyal, sobrang sarap ng buhay. And ang nagiging blessing sa akin ngayon, hindi lang ako yung kumikita. Kasi within this year alone, 10 sa taga Bicol ang nagkaroon ng first car nila. And I already created more than 30 millionaires under me. Ang isa sa pinaka-nasarapan ko sa AIM Global, kung ako tatanungin mo bakit AIM Global ang kinakareer ko, kasi ang dami kong choice kung ano yung pwede kong gawin na opportunity or pwede kong anong gawin na ibang bagay. Pero kaya AIM Global ang ginawa ko for 2 reasons lang. Number 1, kikita ka ng sobrang daming pera in a short span of time. Right now, I'm already earning 7 figures per month. And by next year, I'm sure kikita ako ng nasa 8 figures per month. Ang pinaka-bottom line sa akin, hindi lang yung pera, pero yung magkakaroon ka ng lots of time para i-spend mo sa loved ones mo. Kasi for me, yun naman talaga ang pinaka-essence ng buhay. Money, importante, pero ang pinaka-importante sa lahat is hindi ka mawala ng time para sa loved ones mo. Kaya kung ikaw yung tipong tao ngayon na namumroblema ka ng pamasahe mo, namumroblema ka ng tuition ng anak mo, namumroblema ka ng kuryente, namimiss mo yung mga pamilya mo kasi nasa malayong kang lugar na ginagawa mo yun para ka lang kumita, meron ngayon na isang AIM Global na kaya niyang ibigay lahat ng pinapangarap mo.
Welcome back to Feasibilities, and we're still joined by Francis Miguel and Ed Cabantog, a medical practitioner and a computer engineering graduate, now very much into networking, the good side. But you guys also have seen the not so good side.
Kasama pa nga ako before. Doon sa binabanggit ko experience na siguro in line with the question kanina na isang nag-text regarding what happened daw dun sa Treboca.
No, hindi pa natin nabasa actually, Doc. Sige, basahin natin. Pwede ba natin angat yung prompter? Yung merong about Treboca.
Doc Ed.
Ayan,
Sige pa, sige pa.
Sige pa. About Treboca. Yung,
Ayan.
okay. Coming from June. Okay. Doc Ed, ang ganda po ng Treboca dito sa Pilipinas. Bakit binitawan in favor of Utah? Anong sabihin ng Utah?
Before kasi Arman, hindi pa ako may-ari ng company. Distributor lang ako.
Okay.
Direct seller lang ako, networker lang ako.
Networker ka lang.
Networker lang ako. It so happened full-time ako. Napasali ako dun sa company called Trevoca.
Okay.
Maganda yung product. Local company, maganda yung product, maganda yung
What is the product? Pwede mo bang
It's a supplement. It's a multivitamins. May
Okay.
vitamins, may antioxidant, may herbs. Maganda yung product. Yung marketing plan, maganda. Hindi lang maganda. Sobrang ganda. Nasa sobrang ganda, after 2 years, na-bankrupt yung company. So, nung na-bankrupt yung company, sabi ng mga may-ari, wala kaming magagawa. Lugi yung company. Na-miscompute namin yung marketing plan. Wala silang choice kundi ilagay sa botika na yung Trevoca. Kaya ngayon Trevoca, mabibili mo ng isa sa Watson, sa ibang mga drugstore. So, yun yung dahilan na isipin mo, ang dami kong tao, kumikita ako na maganda, tapos nawala yung company sa isang iglap. Yun yung dahilan kaya tinayo ko yung Alliance in Motion Global. Kasi nanggaling na ako dun sa mga maganda at pangit na experience. So, nung tinayo namin nila Francis, sila John Aspirin yung company ito, inalis namin lahat ng pangit. Ang tinara namin lahat ng maganda. That's why we position ourselves as a pro-distributor company. Para sa distributor, stable yung marketing plan. So, Jun, can you imagine, for the past 5 years, nagpe-pay out tayo ng daily. So, when you talk about stability, napaka-stable ng company.
Mula ba nung umpisa, daily na ang
Yes.
A week after namin mag-start, daily payout na yun.
daily payout?
Hanggang today.
So,
And we started, Francis, September of
2005.
2005.
September of 2005.
5
So,
years na, no?
more than 5 years na kami nagpe-pay out ng daily.
Right.
So, para sa mga direct seller at networkers dyan, if you've been paying out daily for the next 5 years, it only means one thing, and that is stability.
Okay. Let's address the question of Ray of Pasay. Ito siguro inihintay ng karamihan. How much is the investment fee and what is the product? Mr. Francis Miguel?
Okay. Ang product ay value for money, unang-una, 7,980 pesos. Ang kasama doon, almost 7,000 worth of products.
Okay.
Meron ng insurance, which is personal accident insurance. Meron ding ATM. Meron ka ng website na i-manage mo para makita mo yung entire
You provide that website
transaction mo.
already?
Kasama na yon. And of course, may scholarship.
Check up.
At may medical check-up.
Medical checkup right away, easily 500 pesos pataas. Ano?
Mataas.
So, yon kasama na doon sa
Kasama sa
initial na money that they bring
investment.
out. Real tangible products, as Doc Ed said off the air,
Combination.
a combination of real tangible products and
Intangible services like yung check-up, titignan ka ng doktor, i-x-ray ka, kukunan ka ng dugo, kukunan ka ng ihi. Siyempre, we're in the health and wellness.
Right.
Maganda, to begin with, ma-check up ka naman.
Right,
And then, meron pang insurance, like you mentioned.
so wala kang networker na ubo-ubo.
Oo, nag-aalok ng produkto. Mahirap naman yun na maganda tong produkto, di ba? So, ma-check up muna sila para ma-advise ng mga doktor. And
Kasama
then,
sa package yun.
kasama sa package yun. Then, meron pa kaming scholarship. As of today, we have around 500 schools, colleges, universities, nagkaroon ng alliance partnership
Nationwide.
with Global. Nationwide.
Nationwide.
All the way from 25% to 50% to 75% to 80% hanggang 100% discounts sa tuition fee. And these are transferable. So, kunwari, sumali ka, Arman, hindi ka na mag-aaral.